Hey guys, just a bit of a simple tutorial for you today about how to do a stack edit like the one in front of me. This is quite an old one, but I thought, you know what, might as well just show you as I'm recycling things. You want to get your 3 images, it doesn't matter what they are. I've gone for this one, and this one. It's just a variation of images, so whatever you fancy. I always tend to put the more like out of focus one at the bottom, and then like the two other shaped ones. Other shaped? You know what I mean. Pop them wherever you want. So I'm going to have that one there. And then the last one, which is a bit for up close. Pop that there like that. Ignore everything else because I am going to obviously play around with this. You want to get your eraser brush. I'm sorry, my computer is very slow this morning for some reason. Get your eraser. You want to make sure that it's not hard. Well, there's no hardness. Blend away. Then shrink it a bit and just neaten up the most obvious edges. Like so. And then we can basically remove all of these. Them two we can like merge visible. Then we've got the bottom one and we can play around with this a bit more. I like the idea of that one being more that kind of shape. So I'm just cropped that out, brought that down a little bit further, bring that one down a little bit further. Then you got your border, which yep, that's fine. Might even just do a layer down here. Obviously I am using a template, guys, I know, but this template will be included on my DeviantArt, so don't worry. That needs to be a little bit longer. And then we can, once we're happy with that, we can then merge visible. If you've got topaz or a topaz sharpening setting, use that. And then you can just crack on with the PSD in the template that I gave you. Obviously you can move things around if you need to, because as you can tell that font's a little bit big for this template, so I'm going to change the font slightly. Do something a little bit more softer maybe, if I can find anything that I like. It's just going to be one of them fonts I think that isn't going to work with this template. There you go. Once you're happy with it, obviously you can adjust the colouring around if you need to, like any of the PSD, because I've got several tones in this that you can work with. It is a custom PSD, so I'm giving it out for free. That's quite an old one to be fair. But yeah, you can play around with the colours and everything that you need to. And then once you're happy, you can just save. I hope that helps. Any questions, do let me know. As always, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to push for YouTube partner, so that'd be even appreciated. And yeah, thank you very much.